Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Best Buy USA. Today, we're diving deep into the world of top 5 PC cases for airflow, specifically those designed to keep your rig running cool and powerful. If you're a gamer, content creator, or just a PC enthusiast, you know how crucial proper airflow is for optimal performance. So, buckle up as we explore the best PC cases for airflow in 2024. Before we jump into the list, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things tech. And if you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check link in the description below. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Corsair 4000D Airflow. The Corsair 4000D Airflow is a mid-tower ATEX case with easy cable management and exceptional cooling. A steel front panel with triangular cutouts offers optimal airflow to components, accompanied by two included 120mm air guide fans designed with anti-vortex vanes that enhance cooling. The Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management System makes it effortless to route major cables through a single channel, with 25mm of routing depth. The Corsair 4000D Airflow is ideal for system builders looking to achieve excellent cooling performance without spending an enormous amount of money. While its pricing often sends it into the budget case category, the build quality and thermal performance of the case outperform its more expensive rivals. The 4000D Airflow is a mid-tower case that leans toward being slightly more compact than some of its competition. Still, there is plenty of room behind the motherboard tray to route cables, which can eliminate any chance of messy wiring interfering with cooling. Unfortunately, some system builders may find the top I/O panel a bit too minimalist since there are only single USB 3.0 and 3.1 ports. Ultimately, the Corsair 4000D Airflow stakes its reputation on its cooling performance. Thankfully, it doesn't disappoint. Unique triangular openings used throughout the 4000D Airflow allow more air to enter and leave the case compared to high-end builds with mesh materials. The Corsair 4000D Airflow ranks higher than any of the best PC cases for airflow with a thermal performance that far exceeds its reasonable asking price. Number 2. Fractal Design Meshify 2 Compact. The Meshify 2 Compact is a high-performing case with a bold, stealth-inspired aesthetic. Its striking exterior features bolt-free, flush-tempered glass, a fully removable top panel granting excellent interior access, and a front USB 3.1 Type-C port. Users can install up to 7 fans, front radiators up to 360mm, or top radiators up to 240mm for robust cooling. As cooling performance became more of a priority among gamers, mesh materials began to dominate cases. The Fractal Design Meshify 2 Compact includes a front mesh panel that stands out from the crowd, thanks to an angular pattern that pops out from the surface of the case. On the front of the case, buyers have the option to remove the nylon filter, which maximizes airflow without ruining the overall design. This compact mid-tower case also makes extensive use of dust filters on the front top and bottom of the enclosure, and all are easily accessible for quick cleaning. With the Fractal Design Meshify 2 Compact, buyers receive one 120mm and two 140mm Dynamic X2 fans, which is rather generous for a smaller mid-tower case. These fans rely on extremely durable bearings, which allows the fans to long outlast other parts in a build. The Meshify 2 Compact also is flexible when it comes to adding fans, with room for up to 7 120mm fans on all sides of the case. Fans of liquid cooling don't have to fret, since the case also provides installation points for a front 360mm or top side 240mm radiator. Number 3. MSI MPG Gungnir 300R Airflow. The MSI MPG Gungnir 300R is a mid-tower case with an emphasis on promoting a steady stream of airflow through its chassis. The front panel features a single-piece mesh design with the case allowing for up to two 360mm AIO liquid coolers or 12 fans. An adjustable omnidirectional graphics card holder makes vertically mounting even RTX 4000 series GPUs simple and secure. Manufacturers now take a liberal approach as to what constitutes a mid-tower case. The MSI MPG Gungnir 300R is more of a standard-sized mid-tower that's larger than the company's budget-friendly Magforge 112R but more compact than the giant Meg Prospect 700R. Buyers can find less expensive cases that cool components just as well, but the MPG Gungnir 300R offers solutions to certain builds where cooling is especially difficult. One of the obvious selling points of the MPG Gungnir 300R is its included omnidirectional GPU holder. This component can move in several different directions and includes brackets that rest on the top and bottom of the largest graphics cards. The holder has its most appeal for vertical GPU mounting, which often requires purchasing an extra kit with a PCIe riser cable. Vertical PCI slot brackets are easily installed at the rear of the case, and MSI even includes a small fan to take advantage of the added cooling pathway. The MPG Gungnir 300R is quite friendly to ARGB lighting, shipping with a controller unit. And along the same lines, the GPU holder is also illuminated. Number 4. Cooler Master MasterBox NR200P. The Cooler Master MasterBox NR200P is a small form factor white PC case with the features of an ADX case. The compact case can be completely taken apart for easy access to all components. It can accommodate up to a 240mm radiator at the bottom with custom loops, while the side can take up to a 280mm radiator. It can also fit up to a 155mm tall CPU cooler and up to a 330mm long GPU. 2 fans come included with the MasterBox NR200P. The goal of the Cooler Master MasterBox NR200P is to provide many of the capabilities of a full-sized ADX case in a mini ITX chassis. Of course, buyers will need a mini ITX or mini DTX motherboard to use with this case. It's ideal for compact and power-efficient builds. Even so, gamers can assemble a surprisingly capable gaming PC in the MasterBox NR200P with an emphasis on accommodating full-sized graphics cards. For a small case, some buyers may find that the MasterBox NR200P is on the pricey side, but they will receive a lot of extras in the retail box. Instead of making builders choose between tempered glass or vented left side panels, Cooler Master ships both with the case. This provides users with the flexibility to enhance cooling performance, since the one-panel option has extensive venting. The MasterBox NR200P is available in several different colors, but its basic-looking front side makes the case look more like a server or home theater PC than a trendy gaming rig. Number 5. Thermaltake Versa H18. The Thermaltake Versa H18 is an excellent option for new PC builders or gamers assembling a compact, power-efficient rig. The Versa H18 is a micro ADX case with an acrylic side window allowing a clear view into the most impressive builds. The mesh front panel maintains an efficient airflow, and the cable routing gap makes hiding unsightly cables behind motherboards simple. Hidden drive bays have room enough for two 2.5 inches and two 3.5 inches storage devices. Budget system builders also have plenty of options for cases that promote adequate airflow. The Thermaltake Versa H18 is one of the better solutions on the market for buyers who are focused on affordable cooling options in compact systems. Supporting mini ITX and micro ADX motherboards, the Versa H18 is another case that makes intelligent use of what limited chassis space is available. As opposed to some mini ITX cases with unusual designs, the Thermaltake Versa H18 is essentially a prototypical mid-tower case that has been downsized. Besides the tempered glass panel, the most visible feature of the case is its large front mesh panel, which is responsible for drawing in ample airflow. On the right side of the front panel, buyers will find a series of ports and buttons that include one USB 3.0 and two USB 2.0 ports. A bit dated compared to most modern cases, fewer USB 2.0 ports and a higher speed USB 3.0 port would have been preferable, even with little surface area to work with. Finally, toward the right edge of the front panel, there is a blue LED light strip, though users can only turn it off and on and are unable to change colors. Even so, it adds some flair to make a budget case seem a bit more premium. And there you have it, folks, our top picks for the best PC cases for airflow in 2024. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a creative professional, investing in a case with proper ventilation is key to unlocking the full potential of your PC. Which case caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and as always, stay tuned for more exciting tech content here on Best Buy USA. Happy building!